going to take you to this lovely kitchen sink and we're going to perform a water test. We're going to be testing for chlorine and pH. Turn the water on and let it run for 2 to 3 minutes so we get a good sample. Run the water for 3 or 4 minutes. Remember, this is a swimming pool chlorine pH test kit. And we're simply going to take the test. We're going to fill up the 2 beakers. Take the beaker, you put 5 drops of the pH on the pH side, 5 drops of the chlorine on the chlorine side. You let the colors turn. The darker it's going to get, it's going to give you total chlorine at the end. When it quits changing colors, that's total chlorine. And right now, it's ideal for a swimming pool, and your pH is neutral. Remember, anything red is alkaline. If it was down here in the 6s, 6.8 pH level, it would be acidic, right? So Halo delivers highly filtered alkaline water throughout the home. This is unfiltered tap water. It's got actually more chlorine in it than recommended for a swimming pool, and the pH is neutral. The good news is it's treatable. And what I mean by that is you got chlorine, ideal for a swimming pool. The good news is we can fix that and get rid of the chlorine. You wouldn't go out to your pool with a straw, dip it in and take a drink, would you? Remember, the skin is the largest organ on your body and you absorb more contaminants by showering and bathing. We're gonna take 2 bowls and we're gonna put equal amounts of water in each bowl. This is the fun part. This is where you get to place your hand in the bowl. You wanna leave your hand in quite a while, so I'm gonna leave my hand in this for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And then after those 2 to 3 minutes, I'm gonna pull my hand out and I'm gonna take the chlorine regen and I'm gonna put in 5 drops and then I'm gonna put it in the other one. We're gonna see if it turns color. As you can see, the glass that I had my hand in didn't turn yellow. You can be a filtration system or you can buy a filtration system. Do the water test and let Halo do the rest. Thanks for watching.